unfortunately, I forgot to record an intro to this video. Here this morning, we were loading chicken litter into the international spreader truck using my John Deere 317 with our new to us dump bucket. We're spreading this on what's going to be our winter wheat ground. This is our fertilizer for it. We use chicken litter for a variety of reasons. One being it's low cost, another being that it provides lots of organic matter for our soils, which help to build up our soils, and it also provides macro and micronutrients, which most synthetic fertilizers do not supply. So overall, it's just a good pick for us, especially for our wheat and corn crops. When we can get it, we like to get it and put it on our fields. Today we are spreading with an international spreader truck with a new leader spreader body. The spreader body is 16 foot in length, and I would guess it probably holds between 5 and 7 tons, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. We can spread, I'm going to say, around 5 miles an hour, and we're probably spreading around 35 to 40 foot, and maybe more in places. We do try to overlap some just so that we don't have places that we miss and whatnot. Old truck does fairly decent for the age, and I appreciate my buddy JD for letting me use it. Thanks, JD. Well, guys, we got the litter spread. Got about ready to cut some beans. I'm ready to some lunch. Just had UPS drop off a package, and I saw that it come from Parts Express. It's like, what did I order? Did I order something? And I opened it up, and there's some hats in it, and there's this note. It's from Worthington Ag. It says, "Hello, Luke. Worthington Ag Part loves to help out our customers when we can. Thank you for your business. We wouldn't be where we are today without awesome farmers like you trusting us with your parts needs. We hope harvest went smooth for you and was bountiful. Keep doing what you're doing. We're cheering you on. Saw you had a little accident while building your hopper. Hopefully this new straight edge gets some good use. Love the videos. Thanks again for your business. We'll see you around. Stay safe. Worthington Ag Parts." Come from their advertising manager. Never heard from Worthington Ag Parts. Never talked to them. Nothing. And just got this out of the blue. So that is awesome. That's pretty neat, Pretty neat that my videos are getting out there a little bit. I do appreciate Worthington Ag for what they did. For the parts, I mean, they didn't have to send these. They sent me some hats here. I'll show you guys. Couple koozies, couple hats. Pretty neat. Some pins, a little flashlight. I'm not sure about the straight edge, unless I've already got something that I hadn't seen. So it does say, hopefully new straight edge gets some good use. Let me walk out here and check. Well, you guys got to see my first big fail. I accidentally picked up, and it started gathering into my thing a little bit. But it'll be all right. Sure enough, here's another package from Worthington Ag. I didn't even see this one out there. Let's open it up. I would have done like an opening video had I known that the last box was something like this. Guys, I'm no way affiliated with these guys. Like I said, the only thing I've ever done is order parts from them. And, I mentioned them in my video because I was happy with the parts I received and the prices and everything. So, this blows me away that, a company like this can't see a little channel like me. And just like that, a brand new straight edge. Thanks, Worthington Ag Parts. That's awesome. These guys do great business. They're very good to deal with. They have very reasonable parts. My parts came in quick. I never had a minute's issue with them. So y'all check them out if you need any kind of ag parts. So they've been great. And like I said, all of this was completely, I've never talked to them, spoke with them, anything. They sent this all out of the blue. And it's pretty awesome. Check them out. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Checker beans. I'm listening for that crack when you press them. So is it pop of them? I'm gonna put them in your teeth. They're dry. It's about 1 o'clock, so they've had plenty of drying time. Calf today. Just a little bit left out there from last night. I'm gonna see if we can get a couple loads cut today. Maybe get this farm knocked out. Load number 2 off this farm. Got this 2 or 3 acre strip right here that probably should be my best beans, I hope. Of course they're gonna fly away when I get this thing. Y'all probably can't see them, but we've had a nice family of what my buddy called skeeter hawks. I'm not sure what their actual name is, but they have been flying around like crazy. Little things that look like a mosquito that are bigger, got big old long legs. I bet we've had 50 of them flying around. It's about the whole day. we had finished up the Low Place farm and was moving to the Smith farm when I got a call that a neighbor's combine had caught on fire. We rushed back to find the fire department on scene. They were there for approximately 2 hours, put over 2,000 gallons of water on the combine. For the most part, the fire and the embers stayed inside the rotor and on the internal parts of the machine, so the combine was saved completely. No issues. We did, however, have a few other neighbors that had small fires, but unfortunately one did lose his combine. It burned up enough that it's no longer usable. So we actually cut his beans for him, and I have a few clips from that in the next video. Unfortunately, I didn't get any video of while the fire department was actually working and doing their thing. But thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one. God bless.